Hello, we are doing a instructional video on using the pricing calculators. So we start up here and we type in the pricing calculator website, baronarts-admin.com. That takes us to our old website. This has our stretcher page calculator section, panels, and floater frames here. We're going to go to stretcher frames, so we click on that. Then that we see up here at the top, the click for pricing calculator. And that brings us this pop-up page with all the stretcher frames. We scroll down to get to the pricing calculator, stretcher and canvas pricing calculator. Here's where we have all of the stretcher frames in a drop-down menu, so we can choose what we want: A bar, B bar, Pro 1, Pro 1.5, Pro 1 3/4. As of right now, we are using the actual numbers for any Pro bar lights. So if we're doing a Pro bar light at 1.5 inches, we keep it right there. If we're doing a Pro bar 1.5 inches, we're going to hop up one price to 1 3/4. Again, if it's a Pro bar light at 2 inches, we're going to leave it at Pro bars 2 inches. If it's a Pro bar regular 2 inches, we're going to go to 2 1/4 right there. So let's say we're pricing some regular Pro bars at 1.5 inches. So we're not going to keep it at 1.5. We're going to go to 1.5 inches. And here we have one. Let's do 72, type it in by 72, calculate. And that is going to be our price for a 1.5 inch Pro bar. If we wanted a 1.5 inch Pro bar light, we would do it at 1.5. It gives us $239.20. So let's keep it at Pro bar light at 1.5 inches, and we want to stretch some raw number 12. If it doesn't say pre-primed on it, that means it's raw. So we're going to click the number 12 and we're going to hit calculate price again. And that's going to give us the cost just for the canvas and the stretching of that canvas. If we want 2-coat pre-primed canvas, number 12, we come down and click there and hit calculate again. And that gives us that price, $170.45. Let's say the client wants an additional coat of canvas primer put on there. We come over here to custom priming and we go to 1 coat. That's an extra 1 coat for our pre-primed canvas. We hit calculate again. That gives us the extra priming cost here plus the total right here. Then way down at the bottom we have the full total for the stretcher frame, the canvas, and the extra coat of priming. And now remember, this always tells us up here how many crossbars it's putting in. It does that automatically. Let's say we're doing an 1.5 inch Pro bar or Pro bar light, and it's going to be at, say, 36 by 36. And that is that threshold that generally it automatically puts in a crossbar in each direction. But we may not need a crossbar in each direction. So we can go in here and we can take out 1 if we want, put 0, and then hit override, and that gives us that price. More to come.